Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday here in Cape Town, and I had some leftover paint from the last pour I did, so I thought I'm just going to do another lacing pour with it. I wasn't really that happy with the last one. I mean, it looked great, but I didn't really get enough of the lacing effect, and I think it's because I put down too much paint and it ended up just blowing it out like a Dutch pour. I also probably blew it too much. So this time I'm going to put on less, and hopefully that will get us a bit more lacing. What's that, kitty cat? I've also added a bit of purple into the lacing mixture, just for a change, so it doesn't look exactly like the last one. So let's give it a go, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there we go. As you can see, just some nice blue. I haven't put too much on. I'm just going to put a little bit of the lacing mix in the middle and hope that this time it's going to work. I'm not going to blow it as aggressively as before, so I'm going to put it onto low. So I'll play some music now, and you guys can watch what happens. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on with this. Maybe I've got the mixture wrong with my lacing pour. I've got it pretty thin. That's not really doing it, I must say. I'm going to go over it again with the rest of the paint. And then I'm going to make my mixture a little bit thinner even, and see if that helps. Or maybe put a little bit more Floetrol in here. I think that's what I'll do. There we go. There's my Floetrol. There it is. Okay, there we go. Let's see how that works out now. The Floetrol in. There we go. Right, let's give it a go. Yeah, that's created a bit more. The paint's just slowly coming back together now, so I'm going to let it just go to the middle, and then I will flame it. Yeah, actually maybe putting a bit more Floetrol in there was the answer. A little tilt now. Let's see if we can get some of this. There we go. Yeah, it's starting to come together, and I managed to keep all the sort of paint in the middle. Last time I did a Dutch pour and blew it out, which I guess is why we didn't have as many things going on in the painting. Right, let's give this a little tip and see what happens. So there you have it, guys. Wow, it's actually turned out very nicely, very different to what I was expecting, but I can see a bit of the lacing here, and obviously the cells have come through and stretched out, so it's not very uniform, but I like it. It's a lot of nice blues going on there, and some little bit of white that I just need to maybe fix up here with this. So there you have it, guys, just a quick pour using some leftover colors from the other day. Very different result to the one before, so a bit more what I was looking for, but not exactly what I'm looking for in terms of the lacing, but I think it looks great anyway, and yeah, it's going to be nice to go onto our lounge wall. So yeah, guys, have a good week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See, we're getting lot more subscribers now, which is great. And yeah, I just love making these videos for you guys. I hope you are enjoying watching them. And yeah, I'm going to be doing another pour later in the week, so I'll see you there. Cool, have a good one. Cheers.